Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of my amazing series of coding that I don't suck anymore. Sorry that the last 2 days I didn't manage to upload a video, but I was busy with real life and stuff and my work. Yeah, sorry to the millions of viewers who are waiting for a new video. Anyway, let's just dive in straight into the next problem. It's the number 28, find the index of the first occurrence in a string. Basically, you have a string and a needle, or in this case, a haystack and a needle, and you need to look for the index where the needle first occurs, as it says here. It can be multiple times there, but apparently we only need the first index. Can also be that it doesn't appear in the haystack, then we need to return -1. So how would we do that? I would say we need to iterate through the string and then compare it in the next positions to the needle that we're looking. So, for example, we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. And again, I apologize for my amazing handwriting. And we're looking for D, E, F. So basically for the last part. I would say we start iterating through the string. Well, I wrote it like an array now, so please ignore that. It's just a string. So we're going to iterate through the string and look at the position where we are, including the next characters. So in this case, it's 3 characters long, so we need to take a look to the index where we are and to the next 2 indices. So here. Then we move 1 forward and look at these 3. 1 forward at these 3, and then lastly at these 3. So, and we need to stop here at this index so we don't get an overflow. I would say we iterate with a for loop from index 0 till the length of the haystack minus the length of the needle. So, is it incorrect? So length of the haystack would be in this case 6. And if we do it with the range, then this is going to be 6 minus length of n is 3. So to index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, it seems about correct. Okay, then let's try to put it into code. So for I in range, so length of the haystack minus length of the needle, well, obviously starting from 0. So, like I said, it's going to be like this, 3, and then these 3, and so on and so forth. Okay. That's going to be 3. I know, but 3 is going to be excluded when I do the range, no? Wait, so it's going to be length of till the index 3, but excluded with the range. So it would be 0, 1, 2. Okay, then we need one more to get to the last position. So I guess then +1. Does it seem correct? Well, we're going to find out. So, and then we need to do, we need to separate, we need to save it somewhere. Let's just say we'll need, I don't know, substring. Just call it substring. Is haystack from I till I plus the length of the needle. So I is 0 plus the length of the needle is 3, but it's also excluded, so it would be 0, 1, 2. Is fitting. Then I is 1. It's still 2, 1, 2, 3. Then it's 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, seems about right. And then if substring equals needle, return I, because we need the index. And if we don't have anything, if it's not here, -1. So then return -1. Okay, let's take a look for silly mistakes for I in range. Okay, from 0 till length of haystack minus length of needle plus 1. Gonna do substring is haystack from I till I plus length of the needle. And if the substring equals the needle, return I. If not, return 0. Let's take a look. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's submit it. Oh, wow. Seriously? First try? Not bad. Hey, I'm very impressed actually. Well, that was fast. It's only 7 minutes. Okay, let's do another one. As you see, I've been practicing a bit. Let's just do the. And by the way, I'm doing everything on easy so far, so make fun of me, please. But at some point, hopefully, I'm going to get to the medium, and then hopefully, at some point to the difficult, to the hard problems. But let's, for now, just continue with the easy ones. So, length of last word. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of a non-space character solely. Okay. Consisting of words and spaces. Only words and spaces, no? Yeah. Return the length of the last word. Okay. That sounds like, okay, here. Don't save this. So we have the string, no? Yeah. So we have a string of something. Let's say hello world. Ah, then we need to separate them like this into words, and then return the length of the last word. In Python, there exists the function split. So if the string is, for example, S, it will be S. Oops. Oh, please forgive me. Split. And then in the brackets, there comes a string on which character it should split. So we just use the space character. So it's gonna split these this sentence, the string, into the words. And then need to save that. I would say we're going to save that in an array. Yeah, just say array. Just call it A for now. And then we have the words here, however many words there will be. So, but it's a random amount of words, no? There will be at least one word. Okay. Yeah. So and then to access it. Yeah, the easiest is just to go back, basically. The index -1. We're going to get always the last. And then we return the length of that. Sounds plausible, I would say, no? Okay, let's try it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So, okay, we're gonna call it string str. Okay, let's call it strings and make it an empty array. Then we're gonna have strings equals to dot split at the space character. So we're gonna have the array and then return the length of strings of -1. Yeah, I guess. Runtime error. Here we go. Index out of range. Index out of range. Okay, have I done something wrong? So, strings is an empty array, and then we put the strings.split. Here we go. I should read properly. Yeah. The name of the string is not str, it's s. No wonder there's not going to be anything. Okay. Output 1. Why is it 1? Because I'm an idiot, that's why. Okay. Oh, okay, it's splitting. Oh, here we go. Okay. Then I need to do it differently. Then we need to create a for loop for I in range and then start at the end. Start at length of strings -1 till 0. Excluded 0. And then I'm going to need to go to -1 again, no? And then if strings of I is not a space, return I. Does that make sense? So let's think. It's going to start at the end of the array and go back, check if it's just an empty space. If it's an empty space, it continues. If not, don't return I. Return the length of strings of I. Okay, dokie. See if that's gonna work. Here we go. Everything is null. Okay, let's try the good old Python tutor to see what's going on. So, okay. Okay. And then we need string s. Copy it from here. Take a look. Return outside of function. Okay. Create a function. How should we call it? Last word. I'm gonna take s. Let's just call it s. Then indent it. So, okay. So far it's working. But it stops here. Of course I need to call it, huh? Of course I need to call it. Last s. Okay, so last word. Return value none. Because it's not a space character, it's just an empty string. I see. Does that help? Also none. So then I'm doing it wrong with the for loop. What am I doing wrong? It should start, or maybe it can only. I guess no, I cannot do like this. I cannot do it like this. Okie dokie. Then let's just do it differently. Let's take strings -1, and then for string in strings ref, if string not equal empty string, return len of string. Could that work? So I'm basically reversing it, and then I'm iterating forward, not backwards. Okay, take me back to my code. Looks already a bit more proper, I guess. String reverse for I. Fly. Oh, why is it not reversed? Minus minus one. Ay, Dios mío. Yeah, now it's looking properly. Okay. Four. Seems well correct. It was four, if I'm not mistaken. Four. Okay. Then let's implement it here. Strings ref equals strings of colon minus one, and then for string in strings ref, if string not equal an empty string, return length of the string. Strings ref, for string in strings ref, a string not equal empty string, return length of string. Try it out. Perfect, looks good. Yay, amazing. Cool, great. Let's do one more for now, +1. So let's take a look. You're given a large integer represented as an integer array where each digits of I is the ith digit of the integer. Okay, the digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. Sometimes I wish they would write it a bit less complicated for people whose first language is not English, but I think I got it. For example, digits 1, 2, 3, output 1, 2, 4. The array represents the integer 123. Incrementing by 1 gives 124. Thus, the result should be 1, 2, 4. Perfect. Thank you for the example. That makes it clearer. Perfect. Okay, then we basically need to increment the last digit by 1 and return that. But exactly, if it's a 9, the digit before that needs to increase as well. Okie dokie. Then let's try like this. We could do it the following. I'm just going to use the same tactic from before. I'm just going to reverse it and then reverse it back. So let's say digits reversed equals digits of colon minus 1. We have the reversed digits. And then for I in digits reversed, for I in range of the length, well, obviously starting from 0, and the length of digits reversed, or digits in this case would be the same. So if no, wait, now I don't need to iterate through all of them. So, well, let's draw it. Good trusty whiteboard. So we have an array, 1, 2, 3. So increase it here by 1. Gonna have 1, 2, 4. Okay, that will be easy, because then you just take the index of -1, add 1, and that's it. But if it's an array of 1, 2, and 9, the result should be the array 1, 3, 0. So since I turned it around, it's the other way around. It's the array 9, 2, 1. So then it's easy. We just add 1 to the first index, which would be then 0, 2, 1. Okay. And then we need an if statement if the number is 9. Yeah, but then what if it's like 999 or something like this? Can that happen? Smaller than 9. Smaller than 100. So it's so no, that cannot happen then. Well, it could happen. Could be 99. I know it's length. Jesus Christ. Then everything can happen. So it could be 999, and then it will be 1,000. Okay, so we need to iterate through it anyway, I would say. I would say then iterate through it and then say if I is 0 and the digits from I equals 9, then we need digits of I plus 1 needs to be increased by 1 as well. I'm just worried about arrays that look like this, for example, where I have like just 9s, for example. Well, let's start with the implementation. Maybe we can figure something out while we do it. So, okay, I reversed it, and then we need to add digits ref of 0 equals digits, well, I can just plus equals 1, but then I changed it already. Yeah, exactly. So okay, let's do like this. For I in range of 0 till digits ref len of digits ref. So then digits of I, not of 1, of I, if I, so basically I'm iterating, and like this I would increment it by 1 every number. That's not what I want. Then let's say we can increment it here. So we say digits ref of 0 plus equals 1. So then we increase it, and then we can start iterating. Or should I do it later? So my thought is that we're going to iterate, and if, for example, the digits of I is 9, then we increase that 1. And then the next one, we need to increase as well. Am I overthinking this? I think I'm overthinking this. Okay, anyway, let's see. Digits ref of I. So if digits ref of I equals 0, no, equals 9, then digits ref of no, 0 equals 9, then digits ref of 0 should be increased by 1, and digits ref of 1 should also be increased by 1. Equals 1 as well. So that, and then okay, then let's replace this with I, and I plus 1. So what do we have now? If the digits ref of I equals 9, then we need to increase 1, like we increased that 1 by 1, and the next one too. And then we go increase that one and that one too, and only then we move further to this position. Then it's going to be already 2. And then else the digits of ref of 0 plus equals 1, and then return digits ref colon minus 1. Does that make sense? Well, let's just see. Somehow I cannot wrap my mind around that. Yeah, out of range, of course. -1 exactly, so it doesn't even go that far. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Wrong. All of them are wrong. Okay. Then Python tutor time. Delete all of this. That's not what I wanted. So digits, we say it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Need to increment this. Indent increment. Then let's define +1. And it takes the digits ref, let's say. It's really a mistake. Because I didn't call it. Then +1 of digits ref. And let's print that. Let's see. Okay. Call that I0. Okay, it incremented once. Why does it increment again? IS1. Oh, okay, I still don't quite get it. Okay, IS0. The digits ref is defined. +1. Yeah, perfect. That's why. That is why. But then I still have a problem. Elif I. I cannot get my head around that. Elif I. So if a number is 9, hard coding. So 0 +1. Okay. So then it will be 4 to 1. Okay, and then 1 to 4. Okay. But if it would be 9, 9. Let's just see what comes out like this. Because like I said, I cannot get my head around that. Let's run. Yeah. don't even need the for loop then. I do like this just to try what's gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, if it just okay, if it only has one. Okay. Honestly, I cannot get it. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Okay, so again, I reverse it. If digits ref of 0 not equal 9, digits ref of 0 plus equal 1. So elif digits ref of 0 equals 9 and the length of digits ref is 1. Um, mm, how's the function called? Was it not insert? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Position, so index and what exactly? Okay. Insert 0 and 1. No, wait. Since I turned it around, it's not going to go before, it's going to go after. Only 1 and 1. So, and then else 0. Wait. Digits ref of 0 plus equals 1. So I have, if the first one is not 9, then just add 1. If it's 9 and the length is 1, then add 1. Insert yeah, that can now be 1. Yeah. So, and then I have, if it's 9 and the length is not 1. Let's say elif digits ref of 0 equals 9. And the length is not, so I can just ignore it. Then the digits ref plus 1. And I call that 9. So if I would call a recursion on it, then it would not help me. It started so good. Honestly, guys, I admit defeat. I think I give up. No, I don't have this. Well, first one's correct, second one's correct. This also correct, and here just need to add. Even if I add 1, it's going to turn into a 10. Going to be 0. From 0 equals 9. Which it should be. And turn this into 9. Why is it still a 9? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, because I'm not doing anything with that. Exactly. So yeah, it's this case. What am I doing? 0 equals 0. At least that will be correct, but if that's going to help me for the rest. And then I don't need this one anymore because that's covered here. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. 99. I give up. I have to admit defeat. I need to wrap my head around this. I guess I'm close, but not that close. Anyway, it's almost 50 minutes anyway. Thank you for watching. Pray for me that I find a solution somehow. If I do it, then of course I'm gonna celebrate that, but we'll see. So anyway, thank you for watching again. See you the next time. Bye.